trying to put my people, our people, in a position to where we can get financial freedom. And I'm trying to prove to people that it don't take a lot of money. I always got a couple rules. One, do your research into the company. Two, buy low. Three, sell high. I got the kid in investing. I had my first kid at 18. Started a mutual fund from him. And then once I did that, I always had that in the back of my head of something I wanted to get into. Starbucks, Jumia, Tesla, Disney, Nike, fuel cell, plug power. I just got into it and just wanted to just share my experience with the people.
How y'all doing out there? It's your boy, Brother DJ, coming to you live from the lovely establishment that we call the studio on this frosty, frigid Friday night. Hope y'all doing well out there. Shout out to everybody that we got subscribing to the channel. Shout out to everybody that's subscribing to the Junkyard Game channel. Make sure that you guys hit the notification gang, like button, and all that other good stuff. Leave a comment. You know, we like to engage with the audience and everything like that. So we definitely appreciate you guys. Shout out to all my squad cast members and Junkyard Game members that's on the building with me right now. I usually run down the names. Y'all know who they are by now. If you don't know, make sure you check the videos and get them views up for us, and then you'll get to know them very well. Last but not least, shout out Midwest Matthew for making this possible with the studio and all that other good stuff. With that being said, let's go ahead and get into it. Today we're going to talk about some stocks. We're going to talk about a new stock that I've kind of been monitoring and definitely want to share with you guys. That's been definitely doing this thing in the market since it debuted. So with that being said, I'm going to run through my portfolio like always. What we got here, we got Tesla, Nike, Cisco, CrowdStrike, Microsoft, Apple, Ford, Oracle, Progenity, Fuel Cell, Starbucks, Morgan Stanley, COINBASE, Smith & Wesson, AT&T, and Robinhood itself. You know, the market has been doing pretty well today. Definitely doing its thing. I'm up. You know, was up over 2% today. Just up a little over 1% in after hours tradings, but you know that really doesn't matter. You know, because the after hours trading really don't really matter too much. It's when it really during trading hours what matters the most. So, with that being said, there's the stock that I want to talk to you guys about. That debuted not too long ago. Rivian Automotive. All right. Remember how I talked to you guys about Ford. All right, and you see how Ford is doing this thing. All right, I'll get back to Ford in a minute. But we're gonna talk about Rivian Automotive for a little bit. All right, Rivian, ticker symbol RIV is in Victor, N is in Nancy, Rivian. They're doing pretty well. Current stock price right now is $127.11. Overall, they're up just a little over 4% for the day, down just 1% in after hours trading. So that's not really a major thing, but to give you guys just a little bit of background, because I always like for you guys to take the information I give you and really do your own research. But Rivian Automotive basically manufactures EVs and EV accessories and things of that nature. All right, they're a company that's based in Irvine, California, and they've been in existence since 2009. All right, they got a current market cap of $111 billion, which is always good. When they opened today, they were at 129.97. All right, so right now they're down to 127.11. So that's due to after hours trading, like I said. But when they opened, they had a 52-week low of $95.20, and they had a 52-week high of $179.47. All right. That and for the stock price to be where it is right now at 127, I mean this is definitely something to look at for a couple reasons. One, for them just to have hit the market and made this big of an impact opposed to a Neo or something like that. That says a lot. Also, with a 52-week high of being almost $200, and you haven't really been on the market for about 2 months, I'll just say that. Um, that's pretty damn good. So with the current price being at 127.11, if it was to go down again, I would definitely look into trying to buy in at like 120, maybe 115-ish, somewhere around it. If it ever gets down to that low, right now I really don't see it getting that low. It started off hot, sometimes when you start off hot, you do have the cool down period, but this is just something else that you guys probably should put in your watch list. I definitely suggest doing that. I have not bought any stock into Rivian Automotive. I'm just looking at it like I do with Ford, but I'm not going to make the mistake and get into the Ford game late like I did last time. All right. So you guys be looking out for Rivian, put them in your watch list. All right. Make sure that if you decide to buy in, let me know, hit the comments. All right. And let me know what happens. Okay. But I'll be following as well. All right. With that being said, let me shoot over to Ford real quick. All right. Ford is currently down to 1934. Not really doing too bad right now. I'm still up over 24% in this particular play. They opened today at 1959, but with them having a 52-week high, with Ford stock hitting $20, and it's teetering this 19 to 20 range. I mean, that lets you know that this is where it is, and it's not going to get any lower than 19, and it's going to go high. It's going to go higher. It's going to go higher than the $20 and where it is. I really see Ford stock with everything that's going on shooting probably up to like the 22 to 25 range. I'm not saying like within the next month or so, but over the next 6 months, I see that's the trajectory of where Ford stock is going to go. So, if you still haven't bought into Ford Motor Company, now is the time to do it. I mean, they're under $20. I always talk to you guys about trying to get you in positions where if you don't have a lot of money, you can still get into certain plays and still make money. I mean, it's very doable, guys. You definitely can do it. You guys just have to be disciplined and believe in yourself. Trust the research, trust what you know. If you don't know, make sure you ask questions or make sure you look at the videos. If you don't want to look at the wolves, look at other ones. I mean, read up. I mean, there's a lot of tools and resources and platforms for you to conduct your research and be able to feel comfortable getting into the stock market. Okay. So with that being said, man, I appreciate you guys, man. You guys have always been great with me. I love everything that we're doing. I love all the subscribers. Y'all be good out there. Get money. Let me know what stocks to get into. Let me know what cryptocurrency to get into. All right. Leave it in the comments and I'll let y'all know what I'm thinking about as well, outside of just making these videos and putting them out there for you guys. Okay. So y'all be safe. Y'all be safe out there. Peace to the family.